Right, hi everyone, welcome back to my garage. Yeah, so you might remember, not probably in the last video, but in one of the previous videos, I converted my bench grinder to a polisher, and I have been polishing some bits, but the gutter trims around the roof, this is one that was on it originally. It's probably not going to pick up on camera very well, but these are quite beat to death. I mean, I'm not worried about that because I can straighten that and it'll be hooked up underneath there anyway. But so what I've done is I've found another much better set of gutter trims, which is this one. Because the other thing on this one as well is this tag on the bottom is very, very weak. It's about to snap off there. So, and this one isn't. So this one's in much better condition. Well, they all are. All of the ones that I've bought are much better. So we're going to fit them on instead. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to get all of these trims, both sides on, get the rear quarter windows in, and then I can get these pillar trims on as well. Well, I did notice I'm not fitting this one's damaged as well, see, but I've got a replacement one of that there anyway. But it appears, where's that one gone? Yeah, this one, there's like a little rubber, so I'm going to see if I can find which the door closes up against. So I'm going to see if I've got any tiny grommets, which I think I have somewhere, to go in there. But that'd be a bit later in this video, but the video probably won't be that long anyway, because it's basically putting rivets in. I think I can just about get to the because I put the door rubber on, which might have been a bit of a mistake, but I should still be able to get to all the rivets around it anyway, so we should be good. And fire them around there because there's no rubber on there. But yeah, so I'll get this set up on the tripod and then we'll get some rivets in. That one's awkward. That's handy. That rivet just fell apart. Alright, let's try that again. Right, that was better. That was a bit awkward then. Gosh, trying to see the holes. That's it. That one's there. Oh, you twat. No. Done the other one up, I don't know. Right, so this is my other brand new second hand one. I might have to I might have to pull that door rubber down. Bugger. Because on it you have to work that over the top and then drop it down. Oh, I don't really want to start pulling this about again because it's new. Hey ho, it is what it is. And then slide this joiner on along. Then we'll see how far away these bolt holes are. Bolt holes, rivet holes. Not ideal, but that's it. So that is them side trims fitted. And now I need to find the bits of the back window and then we'll get that in. I'll just film the one side anyway and then show you when both sides is done. I think that's probably the best option. Unless you want to watch me putting in all these rivets, which is probably not that exciting, but at least you'll know where they are if you have to strip your one down. Right, so I did actually forget about the trim piece that goes here as well. I've actually already done the other side, but I haven't done the window the other side, but I've just given this a bit of a clean up because this needs to be riveted on before the glass goes in. So we'll do this quick as well. He says, well, hopefully it'll be quick. Oh. Hey, bugger. Maybe I should have done the two ends first. That's it, we got it. There, that's nice and tight against the body. So yeah, that's it. So I'll put the rubber on there now. Which this isn't exactly the best, but the ones that was in it was actually, they was hanging down, so oh, let's twist it around, that's going to snap off if I'm careful. bit awkward, this corner. That's it. It was twisted. Like me. Right, that's it, we're about ready to put the core glass in. All we need to do now is find the screws. I've bought some new screws for here, because this one's like 1970. We've only got, I don't know if you can, I don't know what you see in it. Because it's got more like a piano style hinge on this, because it's a 1970 car. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I think the later cars have just got 2. I think you can still fit them and just use the top and bottom holes, but my original ones are all good, so that's what's going back in. Right, let's find the screws and get it in. Right, so I can get this window in now. For anyone that's interested, I'm presuming it's the same if you've only got 2 screws, but these screws are 1032 U&F by 3/8 long. They're only little diddy things, see? I don't know if you can see on the bag there, probably not. But anyway, yeah. The screws that was in it did come out right, but I just thought it'd be better to put some nice new ones in. So, this is a little bit awkward because I haven't really got enough hands, but hence why I got one of the screws in my mouth. We'll fold that in, and then we'll try and just lay it in there first. Get the top one in. I've already done the other side as a test run, but once you get the top one started, see, it's a bit easier. And it's going to be a pain now because I've got the camera on, isn't it? Right, I think that's started. I thought it was going to do that trick where I do it off camera and it's easy. Now as soon as I turn the camera on, and then that went easy, really easy. What a surprise. Right, so I'm not going to film putting these on, but what I have just discovered, which I didn't know, is that the later ones, I don't know if you can see, they rivet on this side down the pillar, and then this side just hooks over where the hinge goes. But the later ones bigger. If you look at, this is the earlier one. I don't know if how well you can see that, but yeah, so that's a nightmare because this one's damaged and this one's too big. So what I might have to do is trim the later one off, because that's pretty knackered. I suppose you might not see it, but I don't know. I'll have to have a think about that. Anyway, that's going to be it for this one. So this time we got all the window in, all the rear core windows in, got all the trim around there done. Yeah, so it's another couple of jobs ticked off the list. Right, excellent. Right, thanks for watching, and I will catch you all again next time.